Is there a lab exercise or one of the hands-on exercises that you find particularly fun and or challenging?
Sure. So the labs, again, they're kind of focused on the real world implementation of whatever we talk about. And so I'll pick on the deception lab. So we use PowerShell to automate things like honey ports and honey directories, and we do things like take action on a process that touches a honey directory. And so the idea is if if my machine, if there's some ransomware variant on my machine, it touches a honey directory on that machine, we can, for example, pause that process that's running on the machine. So, we can kind of take it a real world example like ransomware that's just encrypting files or searching for data, and we can take immediate action on that malicious process. So
Great.
that's a fun one. The other thing we do is a kind of lesser known feature of PowerShell is when you make a DNS request, you can make that DNS request forcing NetBIOS name service lookups and link local multicast name resolution. So basically these vulnerable protocols that are often targeted by attackers, we can force PowerShell to emulate this vulnerable request and then just look for a response. If we see a response to that request, we know someone is taking advantage of that on our network, and we can generate our response from there.
That's super interesting. I feel like a lot of students will get a lot of value from that kind of exercise.
That one always gets a
Great.
lot of great feedback.